This 90-second hack that I'm about to share with you today will permanently change the way you feel about money and the way money works for you. You will become a match for receiving money with increasing ease, and you will do it without having to spend hours and hours meditating, visualizing, journaling. Instead, you'll just practice this 90-second process that will deeply recondition your subconscious mind and your nervous system so that you relax into attracting money with increasing ease. Now guys, I know the magic of this hack because I used it in order to take myself from a reality where I was working hard for my money. I was feeling constantly exhausted and uninspired and frustrated, and I was constantly feeling tensed inside my body. I took myself from that reality to a reality where I am working less. I'm working in a way more relaxed way. I am enjoying more what I do. I'm enjoying more flexibility. I'm enjoying more freedom, and I'm making more money. Most days it looks like money is flowing into my business out of thin air. And that is possible for you also. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how you take yourself into that reality for yourself. Hi, I'm Cristina. I'm a manifestation coach and success hypnotherapist, and my work is to help you master the business energetics and success energetics that help you create illogical results in your business, in your career, while you elevate who you feel yourself to be and live an extraordinary life. Okay guys, now let's start with the beginning. 2 years ago, when I was going through the scariest health scare that one can go through, I had to take myself through a deep reality check. So I had many aha moments, I had many realizations, but these two realizations that I'm gonna share with you were the most life-changing. Now, the first realization was that I was so deeply conditioned. We are all conditioned to believe that money success, any kind of success, is only achievable through hard work. So we work so hard in order to feel ourselves deserving of receiving what we want, the money that we want, the success that we want. And more than that, we imagine that more money, more success can only be achieved through harder work, more hard work. So we put so much pressure on ourselves. We stretch ourselves, we stretch our limits, we stretch our body, we stretch our nervous system, and eventually burn out. And burnout and exhaustion are just our body's way of telling us that we are in misalignment, that this is not a way to receive the money, to receive the success that we want to receive. But we would not listen. No matter how much our body is screaming at us, we would just ignore it because we have this conditioning inside ourselves telling us, suck it up and move forward and keep doing it. So we keep on looping inside this story where success is hard, money is hard. Now, the second realization was that we define our value based on our results, based on our money achievements. And this is a pattern that starts in the early childhood when we are kids and we get more love, more attention, more acceptance when we come home with achievements, with wins, with good results, good marks in school. So that is the moment when we start associating our lovability, our personal worth with our results. So we start a crazy race after results. We need to constantly create new and new results in order to validate our value, to validate our worth. And at the same time, we are walking with so much fear not to fail, because failing would mean failing to validate our value, would mean almost a self-annihilation inside ourselves. So we walk through life, we try to grow our businesses, we try to grow our money while feeling so much fear of failure inside ourselves, feeling all this anxiety and shame that we are not more advanced, and fear inside ourselves. And these are not frequencies that are conducive to receiving money with ease. These are frequencies that are actually repelling money, are creating resistance to what we actually want to receive. Now, keeping all this in mind, here's the biggest realization of them all. The realization that we can only receive money with ease, we can only receive overflowing money, easeful money, when these two conditions are being met. The first condition is that we teach our subconscious mind to believe that receiving money with ease is possible for us, is possible for us to, not only for other people, but it is possible for us also to receive money with ease. And the second condition is to teach our nervous system to feel safe, safe to receive more, safe to receive with ease, safe to receive money with ease, safe around money, safe around ease, safe to hold weightless money. Now, this 90-second technique will help you reset your nervous system, reset your subconscious mind, so that receiving money feels like ease, feels like flow. Guys, before we dive into the technique itself, I want you to understand what lies behind it so that you understand it and you take the most out of it. So there is this neuroanatomist called Dr. Jill Bolt Taylor, and she discovered that when something bad happens to us, there is this immediate chemical reaction that happens in our body, happens in our brain, and it creates this instinctual wave of chemicals that starts flooding our body. As a result, our body is being flooded by emotions. We all know what that feels like. Now, here's the extraordinary part of this discovery. This instinctual wave of chemicals that create emotions only lasts for 90 seconds. In other words, if you continue to feel crappy even after 90 seconds, it's not because of what happened. It's not because our body's chemistry to what happened. It's because you choose to loop into negative emotions. You choose to focus on what creates more pain. Now, here's what this means. It means that we can break bad emotional patterns. We can literally switch from one emotion to a more desirable emotion in 90 seconds, all in 90 seconds. And this hack, this process will show you exactly how you do it. So let's dive into it. The first step is to do nothing. For 60 seconds, you do nothing. You just sit in silence without being reactive, without speaking, without doing anything. You just sit with your emotions. You let yourself feel your emotions without judging them, without pushing them away, without trying to fix them, without trying to escape them. You just sit and ride your wave of emotions, being with your emotions, being present, feeling them. The second step is to label your emotions. And here's what I mean. When we feel negative emotions, it's very easy to identify ourselves with them, and then they become part of who we are, and then we are going into those loops of just being inside the negative emotions. But when we label these emotions, they are not something that we are, they are something that we feel. So I want you to tell yourself, inside yourself, I feel frustration right now, I feel anger, I feel anxiety, I feel sadness, I feel scarcity. Whatever it is that you are feeling, name it. Because the moment you are naming it, you start dissociating yourself from it. As we were saying, it's not something that you are, it's something that you feel. Now, the third step is breathing. And breathing is absolutely essential because through breath, through intentional breathing, we are calming down our nervous system. We are activating our parasympathetic nervous system, which is a part of the brain that is calming down the body, is calming you down. And the more you are calming down, the more you are bringing yourself back into your body, the more you start getting access to something extraordinary. You get access to your subconscious mind, and you prepare yourself for the next step where we are working with your subconscious mind. Now here's how you breathe in order to calm your system down and start getting access to your subconscious mind. So one way of breathing is through your open mouth, breathing in for 5, holding for 1, and breathing out for 5, and repeating it. Breathing in for 5, holding for 1, and breathing out for 5. Always through open mouth. Another potent way of breathing is the square breathing, meaning you are breathing in for 4, you are holding for 4, you are breathing out for 4, you are holding for 4. And you repeat this a couple of times until you feel like, okay, I'm calming down. Now the fourth step is to pivot inside. Use your power to choose inside yourself what you focus on, and focus on what you want to experience, what you want to feel like. And in order to do this pivoting inside, you can use one of the most potent tools that you have inside yourself, and that is self-talk. I want you to tell yourself things such as, I now choose to focus on abundance. I now choose to focus on overflowing money. I now choose to focus on receiving money with ease. It is possible for me to receive money with ease. It is easy for me to receive overflowing money. It is safe for me to receive money with ease. Now, by telling yourself these truths that you are choosing for yourself, you are doing one important thing. You are not only letting these new truths to sink inside your subconscious mind, but you are also activating your reticular activating system, which is the part of the brain that will be bringing you proof that what you are telling yourself is true. So here is where the magic is starting. Now, the last step of our process is to activate the emotion that will be carrying these truths that you chose for yourself directly into your subconscious mind. And the way we are doing that is by going back into your past. Not in the future, but in the past. I want you to go in the past and pick a memory of a moment when you felt abundant, you felt safe, you felt prosperous, you felt joyful around money, you felt secure around money. Maybe it was a moment when a big payment just landed into your account and you felt like, yes, I did it, and it felt so prosperous. Or maybe it was a moment when you looked at your bank account and you felt like, yep, I'm feeling good with what I'm seeing. Or maybe it was a moment when you received sales with so much ease, so effortlessly, and you can tune into the feeling of just enjoying that. Pick a moment from your past that brings you those feelings of abundance, of joy, of satisfaction, of feeling safe, feeling secure, feeling proud inside yourself. Use that memory in your past as an entry door to these emotions, and then tell yourself what you are telling yourself. I now choose to focus on abundance. I now choose to focus on overflowing money. I now choose to focus on receiving money with ease. I now choose to focus on easeful, weightless money. It's easy for me to receive overflowing money. It's safe for me to receive money with ease. Tell yourself all these things while holding the emotion from your past, holding that feeling of joy, holding that feeling of abundance, holding that feeling of satisfaction. This is not about toxic positivity, or trying even to figure out what it would feel like once the money starts flowing in. It's you accessing a feeling that is already familiar to you. You know how it feels because you felt it, and now you are just recalling it and bringing it back into your body, where you are telling yourself the new things that you are imprinting into your subconscious. Now use this 90-second technique anytime you want to pivot inside yourself, you want to tune into a higher frequency of money. Use it before you post, use it before you write your email, use it when you feel tension or scarcity inside your body. Use it when you compare yourself to others and you make yourself feel less than. And also use it when things are going great, when sales are flowing in, when clients are signing up. Let yourself use the technique then also in order to normalize abundance, in order to stabilize yourself into a new level of ease. Conclusion: start using this technique, and if you will start using it after you watch this video, let me know in the comments. Guys, the more you use it, the more you'll see its effects compounding, and you de-pedestal money, you normalize abundance with ease, you let your body feel safe with receiving money with ease, and you become a match for easeful receiving. Now guys, in order to help you with all this, I will be leaving for you in the description a gift, my magic money hypnosis that is automatically rewiring your mind in order to become a match for easeful money, happy money, overflowing money. And if you want to go even deeper into how to rewire your subconscious mind in the most potent way in order for you to manifest anything you want, watch this video here.